Hello friends, in this video we have picked a very common and important topic, that is constipation. Constipation is very common in today's lifestyle. When there is lot of work while sitting on the computers and phones, because of that the movement is less, and so one experiences constipation. This is one of the major reason. Second reason is lack of water intake. While working, we forget to drink water. Third most important point is healthy food. And fourth is healthy lifestyle. Waking up early, doing some exercises, and then going back to bed in time. One should avoid white sugar, bread products, and all products which are white flour based, maida. One should try to avoid these products. Instead, one should add green vegetables and fruits, leafy vegetables, all different type of colors should be added in the food, and that will give enough roughage and will help to avoid the constipation. One should try to do exercises, maintain a healthy lifestyle. The posture should be correct, and one should do some yoga exercises to avoid constipation. Now I am sharing an important and a very easy to use protocol for the constipation. There are two protocols, you can apply any one of them. Apply red color ring around the little finger of both the hands, left hand and right hand. You can make a ring around the first joint of the little finger. You can keep the color for 4 to 6 hours in the daytime. It will be very effective. This is another method. You can apply red color line on the index finger as shown in the picture on both the hands. You can apply any one of the protocols or both the protocols if the problem is chronic. To make your treatment more effective, you can massage the palms inside of your both the hands and use this ball. This will press all the points. One should not forget to have enough water to keep yourself hydrated. Men should have at least 3.7 liters and ladies should at least have 2.7 liters of water in a day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Smile thanks, life designer Taranpreet Kaur.